Hey, I'm Greg View, Sales Manager up here at KoruWorks, and today we're checking out XClutch. Real quick. Look at this thing. XClutch came through, baby. XClutch is wild. It's an amazing company that's a little bit newer over here to the US. We just got a clutch for our FD program with Cole Richards. I'm gonna go over that with you. It's like an unboxing. We call them unboxings. How do you... All right. Unboxing time. So XClutch is actually owned by a company called ACS, Australian Clutch Services. And they've been around. Oh boy, there's some meat in there. ACS has actually been around for 30 years designing clutches, and they are some of the best professionals. How does this? Oh! It's a box in a box.
Oh, what's in the box?
It's boxy. And then get this big old flat right here. Now, I want to tell you what separates the difference from XClutch and some of the other brands out here. And first off, every clutch comes with a free sponsorship. Look at that. Stickers on deck. These are good stickers too. They're really high quality. This is nutty. This is nutty. Instructions. You buy something and it actually comes with instructions. So these are actual instructions for this triple disc. So this is a triple plate, 9-inch. This is like a Mac Daddy clutch setup for an LS, 6-bolt. This is about the creme de la creme as it gets. But yeah, you get instructions with key notes on there. Oh my goodness, this is everything. Have you? And it's in English. I mean, I know Australian is English, you know? I know that. They don't know that. I know that. This is kind of key. This doesn't come with most clutch kits. This is your accessory box. And this thing's nasty. Look at this thing. You're not supposed to mess around with these, I found out. You're not supposed to spray brake cleaner on them, compress them or whatever. You're not supposed to do what I'm doing to it, basically. It can make the pistons go bad, but this thing's nasty. Ooh. So I run XClutch in my personal car. They did something really cool. Like, I bought the clutch from them, reached out to them, I was like, hey, I'm trying to do this with my SR20. They said, all right, cool, we're gonna start you out with this clutch. I ran the clutch, I did about 3 events. And I got an email back. They hollered at me and they were like, hey, how are you liking the clutch? How's the wear? What's it look like? At the time, the car was down, so I pulled my clutch and I sent them some pictures and they said, all right, we're actually gonna upgrade you to a different clutch. We think you could benefit from this clutch. They actually took like customer input, like actual customer input, which is very rare in a company. I didn't know that was gonna be a thing. And they did that for me with my little SR20. It was probably because I was driving bad, honestly. Before fitting, your basic guidelines for successful clutch fit. They give you a checklist. For an ADD person like myself, this is what I need. Just set this up, checklist, double check, make sure, oh, here it is. I thought it was gonna be in that box, but it's in this box. Flywheel bolts. Flywheel bolts, mother freaker. Do you know how many times I've ordered a clutch and forgot to get flywheel bolts? They come with the XClutch. Nutty, nutty. This is. It's a spigot pairing. Spigot bearing.
Millimeter.
That must be an Australian word. It comes with the bearing that you need as well, supplied. This is sick. You know what's really, dude, are you seeing this?
What is that?
Where's that knife I had? That was fun. It's another spigot. No. Maybe the spigot goes on that. Check this out. This is your install tool. Steel.
Broken.
Yeah, it ain't that plastic, you know? This is wild. They actually give you a steel one. So that's your clutch alignment tool. So with this, you make sure that your clutch, flywheel, all the things go on straight, so your transmission goes on easy. But a lot of companies come out with plastic ones. Not that anything's wrong with that. They just want to step above and beyond, made theirs out of steel. It's a nice little fit and finish. I like that. Look at this. Oh yeah, and then they got lube in there. They it's like the second one with lube. They include lube, and you can lube stuff. They tell you where the lube is. They tell you, get the box, get the box, get the box. They don't cheap out on quality, I'll say that much. This is so, this is amazing. Look at this thing. Now this might not be the right clutch for you because this is full-blown race car stuff. Again, this will handle well over 1,000 horsepower, all season long for KoruWorks in an FD program. It's kind of nutty because how much we put our clutches through. We're like constantly dragging our clutches, constantly using the clutch pedal. We use the clutch pedal more than we use the brakes in the car. Fact. So these clutches get a lot of wear on them. So for a clutch to last as long as it does, hats off. Mac Daddy clutch. This thing, this sucker, this race car clutch, this race car clutch might not be what you need. But in Australia, where they make these over at XClutch, they have their own R&D department. So what they do is they actually test, fit, and finish all of their products out there in an actual real-world vehicle environment. They asked me for feedback of the SR20 clutch. Screwed up on that one. They talk to their customers. They know what the customer needs. They are a superior clutch, and we are more than ecstatic to be running them on our race team this year. And they're available at KoruWorks.com. Give us a call if you don't see in the applications. Their website's extremely detailed. You can lock in your vehicle, make, model on their website, get the part number you need, give me a call, let me know what it is. I'll get it ordered up for you. Dead serious. We've sold like 6 of their S15 6-speed clutches here recently. Ask Derek Pompey and all those guys out there in the West Coast. They run them. They love them. Good clutches. God, Jesus, dude, I'm not joking. This is like gonna hurt me. XClutch.